Hi everybody, let's talk about how to use TikTok subscribers only story feature. So to post a subscriber only story or video on TikTok, you need to change your audience visibility settings before publishing. So to do this, head to your TikTok app, then tap the plus button at the bottom of the home screen. Now record your video clip, take a picture, or just tap the upload box to select a pre-made file from your device drawer. Now choose your video or a picture and then tap next. Now locate the audience selection button on the editing page. Now once you locate it, change the selector from everyone or friends to subscribers only. Since I don't have any subscribers, so you won't be able to see it on my screen. But if you have subscribers, you can just simply set it to subscribers only. Now tap post to story or the checkmark button to publish the exclusive content to your subscriber feed. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.